C2, Geometric Sequences, Example 1. So here, we're asked to find the next two terms in the given geometric series, 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus 54. So earlier on, we were given that un is equal to a times r to the power of n minus 1, where n is the nth term, a is the first term, and r is what we like to call the common ratio. So, we're asked to find the next two terms. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. So we're being asked to find the fifth and the sixth term. But first off, we need to know what A is and what R is. So the first term here is 2. So simply A equals 2. Next, we need to find R, the common ratio. So what do I have to times 2 by to get 6? Well, that's 3. 6 by to get 18, that's 3. And 18 by to get 54, that's 3. So it's simple to see that our R common ratio is equal to 3. And we already know that we're trying to find un for n equals 5 and n equals 6. So when n equals 5, we have u5 is equal to a, which is 2, times r, which is 3, to the power of n minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So that's 2 times 81, which gives us 162. So when n equals 6, we have u6, which is equal to 2 times 3 to the power of n minus 1, which this time will give us 5, which is equal to 2 times 243, which gives us 486. So we have found our fifth and sixth term, which are the next two terms in the sequence. So we have finished part A. Moving on to part B, we need to find the sum of the n terms in Sn for n equals 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can do that just by adding them. Because so far we haven't learned the formula to find it out any other way. So that's 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus 54. So that's 0, carry the 2, which gives us 80. So we need to comment on whether the series converges or diverges. Well, from the fact that each time these numbers are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and considering our common ratio is timesing each previous term by 3, we can see that this is never going to converge on a value. So it's never going to settle down and give us almost a recurring value each time. So that means that it is diverging. And this is because un increases as n becomes larger. And also, our common ratio would need to be between -1 and 1, but we'll come to that later on in the booklet. So that is part 3 complete.